Welcome, children. In today's session, we're going to begin a new chapter that is money. So, let's begin. Children, if you look at this picture, she is a girl named Gia and she is at the supermarket. She wants to buy all her favorite things like chocolates, candies, and different things. But in order to buy all her favorite things, she needs money. Right, children? Children, money is very important for a living. We need money to buy food, clothes, shelter. For everything, we need money, right? So, we should use money in a right way for better living. So, today we're going to understand some facts related to money. Let's get started now. Children, in our country, money is used in the form of rupees and paisa. If you see, the term rupees has a symbol of R and S with a capital R and a small s. This was the symbol used earlier. But now, the symbol of rupees has been changed to this. And the symbol for paisa is a capital P. Moving on. Children, there are different coins and notes we use. So let us have a look at different coins that are in use. This is a 50 paisa coin, a 1 rupee coin, a 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and a 10 rupee coin. Let's have a look at some of the notes which are in use. A 1 rupee note, a 2 rupee note, 5 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 20 rupees note, 50 rupee note, 100 rupee note, 2000 rupee note and a 500 rupee note. So these are some coins and notes that we use in our country. Children, a 1 rupee coin is equal to 1 rupee note, and similarly coins of 2 rupee or a note of 2 rupee and a coin of 5 rupee and a note of 5 rupee and a coin of 10 rupee and a note of 10 rupee is one and the same thing. Okay? Children, the coins and notes that we use are called currency. Children, a coin has two sides. The side which displays the number or the value of the coin is called the tails, and the other side is called the heads. So there are two sides, tails and heads. Now children, let's understand a very important fact related to money. Children, always remember that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa or 100 paisa equal to 1 rupee. It means that a 1 rupee coin is equal to 100 paisa. Okay? And how do you get 100 paisa? Just see, if you add 250 paise coins, how much is it? 100 paisa. So, if I say that 1 rupee coin is equal to 250 paise coins, then what is it? Yes, it means that 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. And how is that possible? If you take 250 paise coins, it is equal to 100 paisa and 100 paisa equal to 1 rupee. So, 1 rupee coin is equal to 250 paise coins. Now, let's understand this concept in detail. For example, if you want to buy a toffee costing 50 paise, what will you give the shopkeeper? Simple, this 50 paise coin. Let's have a look at another example. Now, if you want to buy this banana costing 1 rupee 50 paisa, what will you do? Yes, and you have these 350 paise coins. So, as we have just understood the concept that 1 rupee equal to 50 paisa, right? 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. And 100 paise means 50 paisa plus 50 paisa. It is equal to 100 paise. So, if I take 3 50 paise coins, then that will equal to 1 rupee 50 paisa. Because 250 paisa means 100 paisa. With that, if you take one more 50 paisa, it becomes 1 rupee 50 paisa. Have a look, children. We have just learned that 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. And 250 paisa is also equal to 1 rupee because 50 plus 50 is 100 and 100 paisa equal to 1 rupee. Moving on. If you want to buy the same banana which is of now 1 rupee using this 25 paise coins. Children, do you know in earlier times even 25 paise were in use? So, how will you do it? Let's have a look here. Children, we know that 50 paise plus 50 paise equal to 1 rupee. Now we have to give 1 rupee in the form of 25 paise. So how many coins will you use? 4 coins. I'll tell you how. See children, if you add 25 paise plus 25 paise, it becomes 50 paisa. And if you add another 225 paises, it again becomes 50 paisa. And we know 50 paisa plus 50 paisa equal to 1 rupee. So simple, 4 25 paise coins is also equal to 1 rupee. Right children? Let's have a look at some more questions. We have to make the given amount using different combinations of coin. Now, over here if you see there are 2 coins of 1 rupee. So coin of 1 rupee is of 2. What does it make? 1 plus 1? 2 rupees. Another example. Coins of 2 rupees of 3. So 3 coins of 2 rupees. Let's add all this together. 2 plus 2 plus 2. How much is it? Yes, 6 rupees. Let's have a look at some another question. How much money do I have now? See, I have 10 rupee and another 10 rupee and 4 coins of 1 rupee. So what does 10 plus 10 become? 20. And how many coins? 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's add these. How much do I have now? Yes, 24 rupees. So children, today's classwork, we have to write down some fill in the blanks. 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa or 100 paisa equal to 1 rupee. The third is 50 paisa plus 50 paisa is 1 rupee or 100 paisa. Moving on. 25 paisa plus 25 paisa plus 25 paisa and the last 25 paisa is also equal to 1 rupee. So there are some different combinations. If you see the sixth blank, 50 paisa plus 25 paisa plus 25 paisa. How much is it? So let's add 25 plus 25. It becomes 50. We have this another 50 and we know 50 plus 50 becomes 1 rupee or 100 paisa. Last one, 75 paisa plus 25 paisa. How much is it? Yes. Let's see, 75 paisa plus 25 paisa. It becomes 100 paisa. And 100 paisa means it is 1 rupee. So we have this 1 rupee. And we have this another 1 rupee with us. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2 rupee. Moving on. 5 rupee plus 50 paisa. Now children, here we are adding rupees with paisa. So if you add rupees with paisa, how will you write it? Like this. We will write it as 5 rupees dot 50 paisa. Children, just carefully listen. A dot separates the rupees and paisa. Towards your right side shows the paise and towards your left side shows the rupees. So the number to the left of the dot shows the rupees and the number towards the right of the dot shows paise. Okay children? So whenever you have to add rupees with paisa, you always write it in the form of dots. Towards the right side means the paise and the left side means the rupees. And you always use the symbol of rupees. The symbol of paise is not written. So moving on, 10 rupee plus 25 paisa. So you will write both the numbers, put a dot. As you know that paise is towards the right side. So it is 25 paisa. So write 10 dot 25. And the last one, 5 rupees plus 4 rupees plus 50 paisa plus 50 paisa. So you have to do this on your own. It is very easy. 50 paisa plus 50 paisa becomes 1 rupee. And 5 plus 4 is 9 rupee. And 9 plus 1 becomes 10. Very good. Now children, we'll be also doing some addition and subtraction of rupees and paisa. Towards the left side, paisa is written and towards your right side, rupee is written. You will do a normal addition and subtraction of these questions. Let's solve one of each. See, 8 rupees 50 paisa plus 2 rupees 25 paise. So always begin from your right side. 0 plus 5 is 5. What is 5 plus 2? 7. And now let's add the amount in the rupee section. 8 plus 2, 10. So this is how you have to add all these questions. Moving on to the subtraction now. 48 rupees 50 paisa minus 31 rupees 20 paisa. So again 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 1, 7. 4 minus 3, 1. So simple addition and subtraction you have to do of rupees and paisa, children. Okay? I hope you've understood the concept of money. Please do the following classwork in your notebook and book neatly. Thank you, children.